Welcome back to the Chromperfect Beginner Training Series. In this video, we continue Section 4, Reporting and Deliverables. We are now starting Chapter 5, Advanced Reporting Workflows. In this chapter, we will move beyond basic report generation and focus on how reporting is used as part of a wider analytical workflow, including multi-channel reporting, alarm-based evaluation, and practical automation concepts. Up to this point, we have focused on how formatted reports are created and how they are output. In this chapter, we now look at how those reports are used in more advanced and real-world scenarios. One important extension of reporting is the ability to work with multi-channel data. So far, we have worked with single-channel chromatograms, where one detector produces one set of results. However, many instruments operate with multiple detectors, and Chromperfect allows a single formatted report to include results from multiple channels. This is configured within the Format File Editor, where the number of channels is defined and the report layout can be structured to display results from each channel. For example, a gas chromatograph with both FID and TCD detectors may produce two sets of results from the same run. A formatted report can be designed to present each channel separately or to combine results into a single table, depending on the reporting requirements. This allows a single report to represent the complete analytical result for a multi-detector system. Another important concept is the use of reporting as part of result evaluation through alarms. Within the Format File Editor, under the Miscellaneous tab, there is an option to check the report text for alarm conditions. These alarms are typically defined within the report itself, using the report content and calculated values. For example, a report may include limits for peak area, concentration, or retention time, and if those limits are exceeded, an alarm condition can be triggered. In practice, this means that the report is not only presenting results, but also evaluating them. This is particularly useful in routine or automated workflows, where large numbers of samples are processed and need to be checked against predefined criteria. Instead of manually reviewing each result, the system can automatically highlight or flag results that require attention. These features become especially powerful when used in batch processing workflows. When multiple samples are processed together, Chromperfect can automatically generate reports, apply formatting, and evaluate results using alarms. This creates a consistent and repeatable workflow where data is not only processed, but also reviewed and prepared for output with minimal user interaction. In addition to alarm checking, formatted reports can also be designed to interpret results rather than simply display numerical values. Within the format file, it is possible to define conditions where calculated results are compared against specified limits, and the output is presented as text instead of a number. For example, a concentration value may be evaluated and reported as pass or fail, or as within specification or out of specification, depending on the defined criteria. This is particularly important in applications such as certificate of analysis reporting or environmental testing, where results must be assessed against regulated limits. By incorporating this type of conditional reporting, Chromperfect allows reports to communicate clear decisions and compliance status, rather than requiring the user to manually interpret numerical data. At this stage, it is important to recognize that many of these advanced reporting features can become quite complex and often rely on configuration across multiple areas of the Chromperfect system. This may include the use of upper and lower limits within calibration, advanced formula definitions, and detailed format file design. The purpose of this training series is not to explore every advanced configuration in depth, but rather to provide a clear overview of the capabilities within each module. If your application requires more advanced reporting or custom configuration, we recommend referring to the Chromperfect main manual, where these topics are covered in detail. To summarize, formatted reports in Chromperfect can be extended beyond simple output to support advanced workflows. Reports can be designed to include multiple channels within a single output, allowing complete representation of multi-detector instruments. They can also incorporate alarm checking, enabling automatic evaluation of results based on defined criteria. In addition, reports can be configured to interpret results using conditional logic, allowing numerical values to be translated into clear outcomes such as pass or fail, or within and out of specification, which is particularly important for applications such as certificate of analysis and environmental testing. Congratulations! You have now completed Section 4, Reporting and Deliverables. You should now have a clear understanding of how reports are created, applied, and delivered within Chromperfect, as well as how they can be extended to support advanced workflows such as multi-channel reporting, automated evaluation, and conditional result interpretation. In the next and final section, we will move beyond reporting and begin to explore how Chromperfect operates at a system level, including automation through sequences, user management, system tools, and extended capabilities across the platform. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And for more information, visit chromeperfect.com.